Hi foodies, good day to you all. And I'm going to make a cinnamon swirl because peaches, here on the board, Anthony will show you the peaches, are so fresh and beautiful. I've decided to make a peach cinnamon swirl, and I'm going to use out-of-the-box Krusteaz mix. Okay, so this is what you do. First, we need to prepare our peaches. I've already taken the stones out, or the pits, and I'm gonna cut them so they're kind of like that. We like a lot of fruit in our cakes, okay? I make a lot of different cakes, and I make a lot of cakes with a lot of different fruits. Sometimes I use pears. You can Google the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. You can go there and you can see the pear cake I've made with this one. And I think I'm going to add one more here and hold back the other. Whoops, he got away. Okay, and then I think that's enough fruit for this. Okay, so we'll hold this over here out of the way. All right, and then what am I going to do next? I'm going to take these, and I need to soup them up a little bit, like I like to say. So let's get some sugar on them. Not a lot, because there's sugar in the cake mix. I think 1 tablespoon will do the job. And then I want to get some cinnamon on it. I need some cinnamon on it. Okay, because we're making like a pumpkin pie kind of taste here, but we're gonna make the cinnamon and some cloves. I want to get about a half a teaspoon of cloves on here, just like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is mix these up and get them then ready to go right into our mix. Okay, so here we have them, and they're ready to go. And what I'm going to do is give them just a quick mix up so all of this goodness of everything gets mixed in here and around. You can do these and let them sit for about an hour outside. They'll bleed out or get the juice out of them. But this is okay this way because we're going to cook these beautiful ripe peaches today. All right, so let's just set these over here out of the way. That's how easy. Oh, doesn't it? Here is our mix. Okay, I've got our mix, and our mix by the box goes with 2/3 cup of water, and you can use vegetable oil, 1/4 cup, or butter. I'm using unsalted butter today. Let's just make sure we get it all in there, just like this. Water and the butter. Alrighty. Butter makes it more, I don't know, delicious to me, you know. And what we're going to do is get this mixed up. All right, and our oven is ready. We had that preheating at 350. So now we've got this all mixed. This is really easy to do with these Krusteaz mixes because all you do is mix them up and then right in with our fruits. Okay, right in with our fruits. And then I'm just going to kind of clean this bowl just a little bit to get the rest of that out. And then what we're going to do is mix them all in just like this. Mix them in. Just like that. So this way, we're going to get a beautiful cake with a bite of peaches in every inch, right? Every bit of it. Okay, so let's get that mixed in. Just as easy as it is to do this, out of the box is easy. So then what I've done is I've got our pan, and I've sprayed it with some canola oil. Okay, and this is just regular canola oil. It just happens to be the Pam brand, but it comes, you can get whatever you like at the store, right? Okay, and then what we're going to do is go with about half of this mixture right in the pan, just like that. Peaches and everything here good, just like this. All right, let's just get that in there. Okay, and this is going to go on the top, what I have left in the bowl. And then it comes with some cinnamon already, or if you don't buy this mix, you can use your own cinnamon. Get cinnamon in between the layers. That's why I didn't go to a lot of cinnamon.
Brown sugar?
Brown sugar and cinnamon. Okay, that's what's in that package. And then let's just get the rest of this right on top. Just like this. And let's get it moved around.
It's like a pie with a cake.
It's like a cake pie. But it's a fruit cake. Yeah. So this is
It's like a fresh fruit cake.
beautifully done. Okay, so then we have that ready to go. This is how easy this is. You're seeing how long this takes. Not very long. And then we're going to put the rest of our brown sugar and cinnamon mixture right on top. I'm going to take my fingers and just get it over the top, just like this. Then we're going to pop it into the oven for about, 50 minutes roughly. Anthony's showing you the cake. And then we're going to pop this into the oven now. And about 50 minutes or until the cake comes out clean with your toothpick. So this is Pete going to the oven, and we will come back after and we will show you what this looks like when it comes out. Pete out.